and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this super chic, super glam look which I wanted to keep it natural yet full coverage. So this is what I came up with. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and let's get started. So first I'm gonna hydrate and prep my skin with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel based moisturizer. So you can use a good moisturizer for your skin if you don't want to go for the primer. So you have to hydrate your skin very well and prep it for your makeup, or instead you can use your primer as well, but still you want to keep yourself hydrated. For that you need to apply moisturizer, right? And don't forget to apply it on neck. That is too very important. Now to hydrate and prep my lips, I'm gonna use this lip balm which is from Nykaa. It's a Nykaa Serial Kissel lip balm. It will help you from chapping and cracking the lips. Starting off with the makeup, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer to conceal my eyes. I'm using a lighter shade for my eyeshadow base. Now I'm gonna blend my concealer using this beauty blender from PAC. So I'm dabbing it to set it. I'm not rubbing it off because then the product will come out. So you just have to dab to set the concealer in. For the brows, I'm using Faces Canada Brow Pencil. One side it has a spoolie from which I'll be combing my brows upwards to fill in. Now I'll be filling in with the pencil. I'm filling it in with very softly handed so that I don't make any harsh lines. I'm just underlining my brows very softly handed and not filling it in. I'll fill in the areas wherever is required. Now again I'll comb with this spoolie so that to take off any extra product if left. Now I'm gonna doing same thing on the other side as well. Now with the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I am underlining under my brows just to clean the areas and make my brows look more sharp and defined. Now with the flat brush, I am blending the lines so that there is no harsh line. So I am blending it in with the brush. Using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in the shade Flawless, using this light brown shade for the transition shade on my crease. Blending it with a big blending brush. From the same palette, I am taking this dark brown color and dabbing it on the outer corners of the eyes. Now I'll be blending it on the crease below the transition shade. I'm blending the outer corners of my eyes. From the same palette, I'm taking a black eyeshadow and blending it on the outer corners of my eyes. From the same eyeshadow palette, I'll be using this golden glitter color and I'm placing it with my finger to get the maximum pigment of the color. You can also use a brush. Using the glitter primer from Forever 52 to place the glitter on the top, I am taking the glue on my fingers and then blending it on my eyelids just to make sure it won't get patchy. Now with the flat blending brush, I am placing off the glitter. Using this pen liner from L'Oreal Paris. The eye makeup is done. Gonna apply some falsies. For that I'm curling my lashes with this eyelash curler. So my lashes are on. Can you see the difference in both the eyes? To conceal the pigmentations, I'm going to use this Ellie Gold Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So I'm applying under my eyes and I'll be applying it wherever I have pigmentations like around my mouth, on my forehead. To set the concealer, I'm using this Inglot Jennifer Lopez collection in the shade Freedom. It's a HD pressed powder. I'm using it with a fluffy brush. Using this Color Bar Amino Skin Radiant Foundation. It's a full coverage matte foundation in the shade 003. Blending it with a Big Beauty blender from PAC Cosmetics. For contouring, using this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette, using this fluffy angular shaped brush for contouring. For bronzing, using this L'Oreal Glam bronze. It's light brown color to give a warmth to my face and to blend it with the contouring. To highlight the face, using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Now finishing off the eyes with the same dark brown color, using it on my lower lash line and blending it with a small blending brush. Finishing off the eyes with this green pencil, using it under my eyes in the shade Jade Jinx from Nykaa, just to give it a pop of color to the look. Now to complete the look, I'm going to use this Color Bar Lip Definer Lip Liner in the shade Chocolate Brown to underline my lips. Filling my lips with this Studio West Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Disco Diva. My makeup is done. To make it sweat proof and long lasting, I'm going to use this NYX Matte Setting Spray. Last, I'm going to use this Dior Plump and Volume Mascara, using it on my lower lash line. Woohoo! The makeup is done. This is the final look. I really liked how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too and enjoyed it as much as I did creating this look. This is super glam, super chic. You can do it for any party you want, while going to the club or going to any other party. You can surely do this look. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload my next video. Also, if you guys made this far of the video, don't forget to comment below and let me know how you guys enjoyed the look. Also, if you want me to do any other look, you can always comment below. I'll surely do that for you guys. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for all the love and support. Love you all. Bye. And I'll be back with another glam video. So stay tuned and bye bye.